Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit your website in Wix. First, log into your Wix account and choose the site you want to work on. Once selected, click the Edit Site button to launch the powerful Wix editor. Take a moment to explore the left side menu. It contains all the essential tools for adding elements, changing pages, and customizing your design. This is where your creative journey begins. Now let's dive into customizing your content. To edit any text on your page, simply double-click the text box. You can then type new content, change fonts, adjust sizes, and apply various formatting options. For images, click on the picture you want to update, then select Change Image. You can upload new photos, apply filters, crop, and even link them to other pages or external sites. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. On another note, editing a website can be a lot like organizing your life. Speaking of organization, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and your fridge tidy. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Adding new elements to your Wix site is straightforward. Click the plus icon on the left to open the Add Elements panel. Here, you can choose from text, images, buttons, galleries, and more. Once an element is on your page, simply drag and drop it to your desired position. The editor's smart guides and grid lines will help you achieve a clean, professional layout with ease.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.